In this video, we're going to find a missing value given the average and how many values there are. Now, we previously saw what it means to calculate the average, also known as the mean average of some values. And what the average is to give some single value that represents this data in a nice way. So, for example, if one day you ate 5 jelly beans and another day you ate 10 jelly beans, another day you ate 20 jelly beans, and someone said, how many jelly beans did you eat on average? You might give some kind of value in the middle of those values to represent the average number of jelly beans that you ate on each day. And we saw the formula for calculating the average, specifically the mean average, it's a type of average, is equal to the total of the values divided by how many values there are. Now, if we substitute what we know in this question into that formula, it says the average of the data is 6. So that's this value here. The average, the mean average is 6. What else do we know? Well, we know how many values there are. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 values. So we know that this is 4. And we want to know what the total of all the values is. Well, what number, when you divide it by 4, gives you 6? Well, we can just do 6 times 4 to work that out, and that is 24. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So the total of all the values is 6 times 4, which is 24. Now, if we know the total of these values is 24, we could use that to work out this unknown value here. Now, if we just add up these three values here, 10 plus 6 plus 2, that is equal to 18. So these three numbers add up to 18, but all 4 of the numbers add up to 24. What's that last value going to be? Well, we can just do the total of all the numbers, 24, minus the total of these numbers, 18, and that will give us y. So 24 minus 18 gives you 6, and that must be the last final unknown value. The answer is 6.